Man, I'm cold and I'm scared. Whoa, what the fuck is this? It's Roboy, yeah, he's picking me up. Nice. Roboy, take me to a warm place. This life is awesome. Pizza, beer, and it even charges my phone. And I got internet. But also the thing actually drives.
Our expectations for the coming semester are to build seats for Roboy and for the passenger. To allow better control, we will have redundant braking, steerings and acceleration systems. To assure the safety of the bike, there will be safety features for the battery as well. And finally, for the comfort of the passenger, there will be VLAN and USB charging capabilities.